Yo, what's going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here, and welcome to my official legit check of the 2025 Black Cat Air Jordan 3. So first, you want to check for the RFID chip behind the box label. This chip should look the same across all men's sizes, and if it doesn't, then consider that a red flag. Next, make sure that you have a woven footbed. For those of you that can see red lines in your footbed, then you probably have a pair from the VW1 factory. When you flip your insoles over, of course, you will have Dreamcell branding. You will also have two punctures on each insole, one on the top and one on the bottom. As for your sizing stickers, if you have the VW1 pair, then your stickers should be placed above the Jumpman. Stickers can easily be removed or fall off, especially if you're buying them used, but if you're buying brand new, then your sticker should be placed above the Jumpman. Moving on to the sizing tag, so the production dates that you see on screen here may not match the ones that you have on your pair. However, the dates on your pair should be the same between your left and right shoe. In the event that your dates are not the same, that doesn't mean that your shoe is necessarily fake. However, it is becoming a standard for your left and right shoe to have matching dates. So like I said earlier in the video, my pair comes from the VW1 factory, which I believe is the United States pair. The pairs that have the VP factory code are most likely coming from the UK and European markets. There are some counterfeit companies out there that are replicating that particular version. So if you end up with the VP factory code, then you might want to do a deeper dive into legit checking that particular shoe. All right, so another legit checking tip I like to point out is the pattern on the outsole. On the authentic, notice that the shapes look like an asterisk. Some of the replicas will have a similar pattern, but the shapes won't be connected and as flat as they are on the authentic. So when looking at the Jumpman on the back tab, make sure that your Jumpman is more matte than metallic. As you can see in this comparison, the replica has a black metallic look, and you can see a fingerprint as well. Because of the material on the authentic, you won't be able to see a fingerprint with the naked eye. Moving on to the box, there are no stickers or stamps underneath the box lid. You will have one YCM sticker inside of the box. When comparing the box labels, the font is usually a dead giveaway. The font on the authentic isn't as bold compared to the one on the fake, and the spacing on the barcode is different as well. So when it comes to legit checking this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the most difficult to legit check, I would say that this is a 7.5, maybe an 8. It is a very easy shoe to replicate, and the fact that it's all black doesn't make it any better. So for those of you that have the VP pairs, you do have a higher chance of getting a fake compared to those that have the VW1 pairs. Of course, as time goes on, they will be perfecting the shoe, and I'm pretty sure that the VW1 pairs will be replicated as well. So if you really want this shoe, I highly suggest that you get it sooner than later. I will leave a link in my description box to a video that I did a couple days ago where I talk about the VP pair just briefly. It's not a full-on legit check, but it is a way to help you start your legit checking process. So if you got something useful out of this video, definitely hit the like, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. And until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.